Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my DIY activewear set. In this video, we're going to be making a racer back sports bra. Check part 1 for the leggings for a full set. Okay, let's go. These are the tools you will need for this tutorial. I used the tank top that was pretty tight on but wasn't uncomfortable. To make the pattern, start by folding your top in half and then folding up from the bottom till you get to your desired length. Make sure you add extra length to accommodate an elastic casing. On a folded piece of paper, line the centre front of the top with the fold and trace around the seams. I didn't add a seam allowance on the outside because the fabric is stretchy and we want it to be form-fitting. I did, however, mark the seam lines on the inside as pattern guidance. Once you've cut it out, it should look like this. For the back pattern, I traced the top and shoulder and marked where the side seam was. I then used my front pattern to adjust the size and to make sure all the pattern pieces matched up. I then freehand drew the racer back shape into the pattern by exaggerating the curve from the shoulder to the waist. Once it's cut, it should look like this, and it should also match up perfectly with the front pattern. Now it's time to cut the fabric. Cut 2 of each pattern piece. Next, place your double pieces wrong sides facing and serge or sew them together to create one front piece and one back piece. This will give your top more structure and fit. You can then sew them together at the shoulder and the side seams. With the top inside out, turn the edges in 1 cm, pin and then sew down. I used a triple zigzag stitch, but you can use any decorative stretch stitch as it will be seen on the outside too. Do this to all the raw edges apart from the bottom opening. This is what we're going to use for the elastic casing. Cut your elastic so that it fits very snug around your high waist. It should be about 2 inches less than your actual measurement. To make the casing, lay the elastic on the edge of the hem and fold it over to determine how big your casing should be. Pin the hem all around, leaving a 1 to 2 inch gap to thread the elastic through. Sew together with a triple zigzag stitch or any decorative stretch stitch. Next, thread your elastic through the casing using the safety pin method. Once threaded through, place the ends on top of each other and sew together with a zigzag stitch. Make sure that your elastic is not twisted before you do this. You can now pull the elastic into the casing and stretch it so it's evenly distributed. All that's left to do is to close the small gap and you are all done! Wow, that was easy. Let's see how it looks. So what do you think? I absolutely loved how it turned out. It was so easy and it looks really good. Make sure to watch part 1 so you can make a full set and look awesome. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, send me a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.